Always down.
Finally made it here, I'm never going back. It's my time, I got the sign, I read my zodiac. You can hear it in every line, I'm never holding back. If you coming at me, turn around, hit that cul-de-sac, I'm making only hits, only hits. Keep that money rolling in. I ain't gas, but we started underground like petroleum. Now I'm filling up stadiums, clubs, and auditoriums, making shorties come, but I'm leaving quick. I ain't stopping till it's keys to whips, keys to crips, we the shit. That's the only thing that we admit. I take my time, I never rush. That's why I'm releasing hits. You can catch me on your TV screen, looking really dapper, son. I'm about to take them back to school like Billy Madison. I'm flashy young, acting dumb, ashing blunts, rapping drunk, and I'm putting work. You can ask me where the passion was. Work it, 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 work it. And I don't give a fuck if y'all embrace me. Doubt motivates, I need more hating. And I've been drinking a lot more lately. I ain't got nothing to do when I awaken. Cause I'm living like a motherfucking celeb. So I might just take a double cup to the head. We live with no regrets tomorrow.